In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Vantage to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go ahead and create an MT4 trading account. The way you do this is by going to Accounts up top, selecting either Demo or Live, whichever one you want to create. I'm going to start with a demo over here, and then you want to click on Open Account. And then, of course, switch to the one you want. And then as a trading platform, you want to select MetaTrader 4 over here, okay? So here it's going to say, are you sure? Yes, I'm going to continue with MT4. You have to then select your account type. Your currency, I'm going to just select USD. You have to choose the leverage and then the account balance as well. There we go. And then click on Submit. Now, once you do that, your account is going to be opened over here and you can refresh this site so it actually loads up correctly. There we go. This is the one, MT4. And whenever you do this, you'll receive your login credentials for your MT4 demo account or real account inside your email, okay? So just go to your email, which you are using to sign up to your account in Vantage, and then in there, you'll see your MT4 login, which is actually this number. You'll see your MT4 server as well, which over here is this one as well. And then, of course, also the MT4 password, which you're going to need to actually sign in. After you do that, you want to click on those three dots up top and click on Download. And you want to go here and download MetaTrader 4 for, of course, the Vantage edition onto your computer, or of course any of the other things you may be using like tablets, Androids, iPads, etc. Download it like I did over here, and then you want to click on it. It's going to open up the installer on your screen in just a few seconds. And when that does, there we go, you want to click on Next first, and then you have to just wait for a few seconds, like up to half a minute, and it's going to basically install everything over here. So this is the Vantage version of MT4, and whenever that's done, you can just click on this Finish button, which is going to appear. There we go, click on the Finish button. It's going to open up MT4 on your computer here, so in just a few seconds, it should be opening right here. There we go. And then the first thing that happens is this scan over here, and you can just wait for this scan to actually come to the very end here. And whenever that happens, everything is going to be ready. And there we go. You can then just close this down, and then here you're going to receive this, which says Vantage International MT4, and this is where you actually have to put in your credentials. So first, put in your MT4 login, which is inside your email. Put in your password, which also should be inside your email with the credentials, and then select the server, which is also listed in the email. So for me, it's actually this first one, the demo 2, and you can save the account info or not. Of course, that's up to you, and then click on login. And just like that, there we go. You've successfully logged in and connected your Vantage account to MT4. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.